One missing paper and your shipment can get stuck at customs for weeks. 10 must-have documents every importer and exporter needs. Stay till the end because missing even one can cost your time, money and sleep. Starting at point number 1, that is commercial invoice, the heart of every shipment. It lists the buyer, seller, product details, value and Incoterms and becomes the base for all other paperwork. Point number 2, packing list. Tells customs exactly what's inside each box, quantities, weights and package numbers. Think of it as the content label for your counter. Point number 3, e-way bill for domestic movement. When goods travel from your factory to the port or ICD, generate an e-way bill under GST. It's your legal permit for movement within India before export. Moving on to point number 4, inspection certificate, that only if required. For sectors like food, pharma or engineering, inspection confirms quality and compliance before shipment. Buyers or agencies often demand it for assurance. Point number 5, EPCG, advance authorization or mover for duty exemption purposes. If you are importing machinery or raw materials under DGFT scheme, this license gives duty exemption. Link it correctly in your shipping bill to enjoy the benefit and avoid compliance issues later. Point number 6, bill of lading or e-way bill. Proof that goods were handed to the carrier. It's like a ticket for your shipment and needed by banks to release payments under LC. Point number 7, certificate of origin. Certifies where your goods were manufactured. Buyers use it to claim duty concessions under trade agreements like India's ASEAN or India UAE CEPA. Point number 8, shipping bill or bill of entry. Filed on IceGate, shipping bills for export, bill of entry for imports. This is the official customs record that allows your goods to move out or in legally. Point number 9, insurance certificate. Accidents happen, storms, theft, damage. An insurance certificate protects your shipment and saves heavy losses. Point number 10, bank documents such as FIRCs and BRCs. After payment, your bank issues a foreign inward remittance certificate and later a bank realization certificate. These close the export cycle and are needed to claim incentives like RoDTEP or ROCP. And that's your complete checklist from invoice to payment. Keep these 10 documents ready every time and your shipment will clear smoothly. If you like short, practical videos on trade documentation, DGFT incentive and shipping clarity, follow and subscribe Kiriti Consultants. We simplify trade so you can focus on business. Thank you.